Good morning, Taunton Fabrications. We're an architectural steelwork manufacturer across the southwest. I'm operations manager, so I'm sort of dealing on an overall level of understanding quality, compliance with the business and with the work that we produce. The work is, we're mainly structural, architectural, so quite big stuff. On commercial developments, we run through Bristol, local work in Taunton, across the southwest, and even sort of touching London. But it's balconies, staircases, mainly architecturally sort of pleasing look again, whether they be helical, quite complicated, which gives us our unique sort of service that we provide to the construction teams around the southwest. We're obviously dealing from the concept of a product, which would be dealing with the architects who are dealing with the clients. We do some very prestigious items, such as the Halo project, which is in Bristol, right in the centre where they're redeveloping the Finzel's Wharf area. So we're dealing with architects, we're dealing with structural engineers, we're dealing with our guys, the manufacturers, the fabricators, so we can provide this sort of one-stop shop from start to finish through to installation on site and commissioning and handing over back to the customer. We obviously start off at the estimating, so we've got an estimating team upstairs who's trying to get the work in. We've got then going through to the design team. We have a group, I think it's about 6 designers, which are running 3D modelling software, where they're actually turning the architect's dream into reality. That then follows on through to the purchasing team, so we can buy all the material in. We use a lot of outside processing. Runs through to the fabrication shops, where we've got a team of very capable fabricators, including an apprentice at the moment who's fairly new to the company, who then have the challenge to take the raw materials and turn it into a finished product. Going on from that, we then have the site construction teams which actually erect the steel. So we can go from start to finish really with our product range. Energy, obviously, is a fairly intense job. It can be. Our fabricating apprentice, he obviously needs to know from the start to the finish. So they need to be keen on understanding the whole story, even though they might be actually mainly dealing with raw materials and manufacturing. We want them to be inquisitive and want to understand how things are fitted on site. If they've got an understanding of how the design is thought about to make his life easier, it's sort of all about design for manufacture, design for assembly. So we want them to be focused on becoming a very good welder fabricator, if that's the role, but also trying to understand all the peripheral things that we do here.
So I'm an apprenticeship in a level 3 welding and fabrication course. I'll be making like balconies and architectural stuff. Come straight from Brymore, so I'll be doing a level 3 course at Bridgewater College. It's good going back to college, get to go meet up with all your friends and stuff, so it's nice. It's a bit of a break throughout the week, but also learning at the same time. Waking up a lot earlier and getting used to like generally working harder compared to what I would have at school. It's a lot more people have got a bit more experience, so it's nice to learn from them. Just try your hardest, really. I started from nothing really, and now I'm doing a lot better than what I was. It's just trying to work hard, that's all.